Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger, and if this is the first time visiting my channel, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notifications of when I post new content. Be sure, if you enjoy these videos, hit the like button because that determines what YouTube sees, and comment below. I always reply or get back to a comment. But the first thing, I have a small haul from JoAnn's, and then I have one thing from Amazon, and then I have a project share. So the first thing that I got at JoAnn's, and I ordered it online, and then just picked it up in the store, and I just have a picture of it because it's too big for my table, but it is this ribbon ladder. The spools are adjustable, and it holds all of your ribbon, and I actually picked up 2 of these. They were 50% off the storage, and then because I ordered it online and had it picked up at the store, I saved an extra 20 or 25%. So these were originally, I can't remember if it was like $40 or $60 a piece, and I ended up paying $13 a piece. So great price, and you can either just stand them up freely, or you can also attach them to the wall, which is my plan. And then I have a lot of storage for my ribbon. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I had a coupon for $10 off of $10, and I picked up first the Twilight 1 Canoe 2 40-piece die-cut shapes, and these are the die cuts that you get. It looks kind of retro, but it's also very like fall inspired, so with fall coming up, I thought this would be a good collection. And then I also picked up the 24 sheet Twilight 1 Canoe 2 project pad, and in the project pad you get, let's see, I love this palette that they have with this one. You get some solid color pieces, and then some, you get I think 2 pieces of glitter paper, and then patterned paper. You get a page of cut-aparts. And then you get a sheet of alphas that are gold foil. And then lastly, you also get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So Twilight is it's a cute collection. And then so at Amazon, you know I am a self-proclaimed pen whore, and I picked up these pens from Kolnick on Amazon. I think they were about $10 or $11. I'll link them down below. And then here are the colors you get. These are 0.5 millimeter on the tips, and they have a really great clip to attach to your planner. You get like a grayish blue, a dark blue, gray, kind of a mustardy brown, a dark forest green, you get black, burgundy, and then a deep purple. So those are my new pens. And then lastly, I have a project share. I had to create 20 embellishments for a swap that I'm doing. And the first thing that I created, and I will link the video down below, are these sequin clusters. I've done a tutorial on these on my YouTube, and you just use I use Fabri-Tac, and you use any size or any die cut shape that you have. I actually like this one here with the border around it, and you put a glob of glue on, and then you dip it in your sequin mix, and these will be really cute as magnets or as just an embellishment on your bag toppers. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And then I made this one with a button and a little piece of corrugated cardstock. And then I made this one. It's kind of camper inspired. It was from a summer collection, and you have the little bike sitting next to the camper. I put a little pond with a little glitter and some rocks and flowers around it. So just a cute summer embellishment. This one is also camper inspired. You have the camper and then the pine tree and a little bear. I put some flowers on it. There's a butterfly and an owl in the tree, and then I used the what are they called? Enamel dots. So I used that, and then I made this one with the butterfly. It has a piece of foam, kind of purplish pink paper in the back, piece of glitter paper, and then a heart with gummy bears on it. I put 2 flowers and some leaves there around the butterfly, and then a flower in the corner, and topped it with a bow. And then I made a couple of flower embellishments. On this one I put the tulle in the back. I had the paper flower that I got in a swap. I added all of the leaves to it, and then the tulle, the glitter tulle in the back. And then these flowers I received in a swap, and I put just a large pearl in the middle of this one. It kind of looks like a daisy, and then the tulle in the back. And then this one I used some fringe and a little bit of glitter, and then the large pearl in the middle again. And then lastly I made this one, which all of the elements in this one I received in a swap. Each flower piece was separate, so I put the paper flowers, kind of layered them up, and then the foiled kind of metallic flower in the back. I added the leaves on it, and then some gold leaves, and then the tulle in the back as well. And I'll probably pop these flowers up just so they're not laying so flat. So I made that one, and then I made a couple of 4th of July ones for summer. This one has the fan in the back, and then a embellishment that I received in a swap, a Jolie's Boutique die cut on the side that says USA, and then I popped up a button embellishment that I also received in a swap right there on the top. On this one I used a circle die cut in the back, and then a rectangle die cut. I used the Jolie's USA die cut there, and then I layered up and popped up some stars and used a button with a little bow on this side. And then these two are kind of a lemon theme. I used a lemon square die cut in the back. I put a lemonade stand on it, a couple flowers, and an acrylic lemon. It says right now I used the enamel dots. So I have that one, and then this one I used another square die cut in the back. I added some cherries and a couple of flags over here underneath it. I popped up the lemons and added a couple beads, or bees I should say. Put a flower in the back with a couple leaves, and then the girl with the long hair and her shirt kind of goes with that lemon theme, and then just added a patterned bow at the top. So those are my embellishments and my small haul. I will be back soon with another crafty planner video. So as this is Friday, have a wonderful weekend.